Okay, hey guys, today I'm gonna be doing something with this. Pepsi. Cherry flavored. Okay, now, what I'm doing is I'm shaking this up. And I did this before, but I did it inside and I made a mess. Because I dropped the can and it exploded. But it didn't make big enough a mess. So, didn't make that big of a mess. So I'm gonna shake this up. I'm gonna be shaking it for at least 10 minutes. Not on camera though, because that would be just boring watching me shake the can. That would be boring. And then when I come back, you guys are gonna see that I'm gonna hit this can with something and it's going to blow up. Not really just, but it's gonna like just crack it and just, it'll be like a time bomb or something like that. So, I'll see you guys back when I got this, explode worthy. Alright, I'm back. It took a while for me, but you guys didn't see any of that, did you? Did I accidentally not? Okay. Hopefully I actually hit the pause button. Because I was going like, do. I'll add a clip of it in the end of it. At the end of the video, I'll add a clip of, me shaking up the soda. Because it was like really stupid. Stupid flies everywhere. Okay. Come on. Got. Okay, let's just. Come on. I'm not really. Oh yeah! That was explode worthy. Did you see that? Did I get that on camera? It exploded everywhere. Now for the grand finale, I'll do burping. Because everybody loves burping. Hopefully it'll dry up. There's soda everywhere on the floor. I better hurry up and just tug this thing down and then burp. I'm getting that hurt. That was awful. That was awful and awesome. Awesome. From now on, whenever something's awesome and awful at the same time, it's awesome. Start saying that. Okay. I'm gonna do my devil burp, because everybody loves it for some reason. I thought my grandma was coming. Okay. I wish Connor was here, but he's inside being lazy. Okay. I'm burping really loud. I hope nobody can hear me from inside. There's a door right there. This is how Connor burps. This is how I burp. Sorry, couldn't really burp there. $5 off. Yay. Now compare that to my brother's burp in the other video that we did out here, where he was feeling on the skateboard. Skateboard's right there. It's not really a skateboard, it's more of a... It kinda is a skateboard, just for a video game. Okay. It's really easy to burp. Some people think it's really hard to do a really big burp like that, but it's really easy. You think that somebody's at the door, but it's just the dog scratching. The dog. Sometimes when I burp, I feel like I'm gonna throw up. But if I ever throw up on camera, then I'll just edit that out. Alright. Well, that's the end of the video, I guess. So, I guess I'll see you in the next video. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm gonna add that part at the end of the video of me shaking up a soda. I think I recorded that. Alright, well that's the end of the video. Adios. Wait. Is this recording?